It was a red morning for around 6.4 lakh shareholders of IndusInd Bank. The stock crashed 26% after it disclosed accounting discrepancies of about 1,577 crore rupees in Forex derivatives portfolio in a late evening call on March 10. The bank said that this accounting discrepancy would have an adverse impact of 2.35% on its net worth as of December 2024, which could translate to a profit reduction of around 1,500 crore rupees in the fourth quarter as per a report. Now, talking about the stock itself, well, the impact was huge. A 1,577 crore rupees accounting discrepancy, but it eroded over 15,000 crore rupees in market value of the stock after most brokerages downgraded the stock and reduced its target price. Let's understand what actually happened now. During an internal review process relating to other assets and liabilities accounts of derivatives portfolio, IndusInd Bank had noticed some discrepancies pertaining to transactions done over past 7 to 8 years. Now, the derivatives positions pertain to foreign currency deposits or borrowings conversion, the bank said, and since April 2024, IndusInd Bank had stopped the internal hedging, after which in around September 2024, it identified the discrepancies and informed RBI. It is now conducting an external audit to pinpoint the source of these discrepancies. Now, coming to how it impacted you and what damage did it cause to you. The stock obviously fell over 20%, which is a lot. The timing couldn't be worse too, because after poor earnings show in October 2024, the stock has already lost 47% of its value. While the financial impact is not going to be very huge of this discrepancy, the question is being raised on the bank's credibility as per experts. They have to rebuild trust and make the stock investable again as per Kotak Equities. But nothing to worry about. Narrative is not selling well though. Nuvama has downgraded IndusInd Bank stock to reduce with a target price of 750 rupees. Motilal Oswal cut the rating to neutral and reduced the target price to 975 rupees. Brokerages believe that this will hit the bank's Q4 numbers. Now, MK Global also reduced the target price to 875 rupees and downgraded the stock. Mutual funds were also hit with a significant erosion of 6,000 crore rupees after the stock tumbled. As for ACE Equities, 35 mutual funds collectively held 20.88 crore shares of IndusInd Bank as of February. The total value of these holdings stood at 20,670 crore rupees, which now has declined to 14,600 crore rupees. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund held the highest stake, valued at 3,779 crore rupees, followed by HDFC Mutual Fund at 3,564 crore rupees and SBI Mutual Fund at 3,048 crore rupees. Other mutual funds include UTI, Nippon India, Bandhan and Franklin Templeton Mutual Funds, with investments ranging from 740 crore rupees to 2,447 crore rupees. So if you have invested in these mutual funds which have holdings in IndusInd Bank and are wondering where did all that money even go, this is where it went. The brokerage view overall is bearish on the stock, but you consult your advisor before investing in the stock now, or do your own analysis too. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.